Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe something that you did with a group of friends. You should say what it was, who you did do it with, how long it took you to do this, and explain why you did it together.
Last month, I went on a camping trip with a group of friends. We planned to go camping for a weekend in a nearby national park. We had been planning this trip for a few weeks and everyone was excited about it. On the day of the trip, we all met up at the designated spot and drove to the national park together. We set up our tents and started a campfire. We spent the first day exploring the park and going on hikes. The scenery was breathtaking, and we all enjoyed being surrounded by nature. We spent the evening sitting around the campfire, cooking food and sharing stories. We even played some games and had a lot of laughs. On the second day, we went on a longer hike and saw some amazing views. It was a bit challenging, but we all encouraged each other and made it to the top. Overall, the camping trip took 2 days and 1 night. We had a fantastic time together, and it was a great opportunity to bond and strengthen our friendships. We did it together because we wanted to have a fun and memorable experience while enjoying the great outdoors. It was a great way to escape our daily routines and spend quality time together in a beautiful natural setting. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning! Thank you very much.